everyone, welcome to Artyshils Art and welcome to this video. So this video was supposed to be just a regular painting video with the music, no talking in the background, but I just dropped here for a minute to just tell you what's going on over here. So I just had a sudden inspiration that I usually have and sudden idea, and I just needed to create a new painting or get that idea on my canvas. But at that particular time I did not have any canvas in my hand or any fresh blank canvas. I did not have that with me, so that's why I just took a canvas which already had one of my paintings on it. So this bird has been done on top of that painting. So I just couldn't wait, because if I wait, that idea just runs away, or maybe I'm out of that inspiration. So what I did was I just made this thing work with whatever was available in front of me at that time. And no, I don't regret this at all. I absolutely loved the painting that was already there on the canvas and I just wanted to keep it. But for me, painting is not about the final outcome. The painting is more about the process, the fun I had in the process. So in the painting that was already there on the canvas, I really had a lot of fun creating it. I even created a class of it and I really had fun sharing it. So all this process of going through the painting part and then sharing part, I was done with that process. And I truly believe that every painting has its own life and has its own journey and has its own destination. So maybe the painting that was under this painting has this much of lifetime, and maybe it was supposed to live for only this much time. So yes, I don't regret that at all, because even while creating this new painting of top of this old painting, I just had a lot of fun, really a lot of fun, and I'm very happy with the outcome as well. And I am so very glad that I did not let that moment of inspiration that I had run away, and I was able to just capture that and put it on my canvas. Because these little moments of inspiration, these ideas that I get that I really want to put on my canvas, these make me an artist. Or the joy and the pleasure that I have while working on my paintings, that make my journey as an artist complete. So that is all. This is all I had to share in this painting. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please share this video to support this channel, because for this channel, for the Artyshils Art family to grow into a bigger family, we need to come together. You and I need to come together and just help spread a word through sharing, because this world definitely needs more art and this world definitely needs more artists. So by sharing this video, you will be definitely helping in creation of more artists and helping in making this world even more beautiful. So that is all for today. If you would like to learn many such paintings, then do subscribe to the monthly art classes at Artyshils Art Academy. And if you have any art related questions, if you have any art related doubts, you want me to talk about some topic in some of my videos, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And I would also absolutely love to hear from you what you thought about this painting. That I painted a painting on top of the other painting. When I shared this on Facebook, some people were very disappointed that, oh my god, why did you spoil the painting underneath? And some people were very encouraging and very supportive, and they loved the final result of the another painting as well. So there was a lot of mixed reaction when I shared this on Facebook. So I'm not very sure how will you react. And I would absolutely love to know that in the comment section below. So finally, I'll just take your leave. So till I see you next time, bye and happy creating. And don't forget to subscribe and share, and do click that like button. Bye.